Hi friends, buenos dias. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a weekend in my life vlog. Today is Friday. I just dropped my husband off at work. I am off today, so we are going to get our hair done. Last time I got my hair done was about 6-7 weeks ago. If you guys saw that vlog, I did go to an Aveda Institute to get my hair lightened and cut. And I do really like how it turned out. I think that they weren't able to get as light as I wanted. Also, the more I see it, it was a balayage that I had done. Some of the pieces look a little chunky, like not as blended as I would like. So when it came time to scheduling a follow-up, I wasn't sure that I wanted to go back to the Aveda Institute. I know it is very cost effective, and I think that it is a really good route to go to get your hair done. But just depending on what you want, sometimes you're not going to get your desired results at an institute just because they are students. I took the time to kind of shop around some different salons in Birmingham, and I did find a place that had great reviews. So I'm going to be checking out Wheelhouse Salon in downtown Birmingham and hope that we get the desired look. To be honest, I just kind of want more of a blend and a little bit of a lighter tone throughout my hair. I'm pretty excited. I'll bring you guys along, kind of show you guys how everything looks, how it goes, and of course, we'll chat about how I like it afterwards. Oh, also, I didn't do a makeup. I was just too sleepy this morning. We left the house at like 7. We'll have to get the full effect later on. I'll probably go home and get glam. We are going to another football game tonight, so super excited. This is going to be another big rival game. Sorry, this light is like insane right now. But yeah, I'm really excited for this day, and we'll bring you guys along and just kind of see how everything goes. So let's go and get our hair done. I think it's beautiful. I love it. It was a really great experience. Really nice salon. They used all Oribe products. Let's see what my husband says.
Hey, man. Wow. Dang. Is this what you were supposed to get the first time?
Yes. You like it?
I do. Dang. And you got it cut?
No.
Oh. Let me see the back. Huh.
I think it's
Maybe
just the way
color
she blow dried it, and the
probably
color. The color adds dimension, so you can see the layers.
That's probably what it is. Wow. Look like a different person. You got me on there?
Uh-huh. Thanks, babe.
It looks good.
Yeah, this is what a professional will give you.
Let's see. Yeah, she did a good job.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Curls up and curling and everything.
I got Chipotle for lunch. I already ate, but I brought my husband some food. So I'll check in with you guys once I get home. Okay, friends, so we are home. I really like my hair. I like that she did like a lot of kind of like thicker pieces up here in the front, but it is time to get ready. So basically, didn't have as much time as I thought I did, but that's totally fine. I placed an order with Makeup Forever. Just want to show you guys what I got with them. I picked up their Ultra HD setting powder. I've never used their powders before, so I'm really curious. Oh, it comes with a little puff. Love that. So here it is. I got the shade Banana. I hear great things about their powder though, so I'm really excited to try this out. I'm pretty sure this could be used as like yeah, like an under eye setting. I tend to get a shade lighter than the rest of my face, just so that I can use it as like a brightening powder. I did also pick up a couple of their pressed powders, the Matte Velvet Skin pressed powders. So I got the shades R260. I did like the online matching, and they didn't have like my exact shade, so I think I got the 2 lighter ones. So there's that. Doesn't look too far off. Definitely like an under eye brightening shade. And then this one is, what's this one? There's no sticker on the bottom of this one. This one's R330. Okay, so this one's more of like my true skin tone shade. So I'm excited to play with these. Honestly, I've always heard great things about Makeup Forever's powder. So yeah, this one is a little bit lighter than this one. I tend to get powders, like I said, that are lighter because I do mostly use them like in my T-zone. I'm a huge fan of the MAC Studio Fix powder. I've got this in like every shade. I absolutely love it. When I was freelancing, I did have this in my kit as well. Did I need powders? No, but I just like to try new things every now and then. So I'm excited to play with these powders. And I also picked up a couple pencils from them. These are the Artist Color pencils. So the thing about their pencils that I liked is that you can use this for lip liner, eyeliner, eyebrows. Literally, they're multi-use pencils, which honestly, to me, makeup is multi-use. So you don't have to use it for just what it's intended for. As long as it's not going to harm anything, I feel like all makeup has multi-uses. So I got a couple shades. So this is in the shade Anywhere Caffeine, and I also got Limitless Brown. Okay, so this is Limitless Brown and Anywhere Caffeine. So just a couple good kind of staple colors I feel like you need for lip liner. This is probably what I'll use it for. And then I got a sample of their Mist and Fix setting spray. And this is a sample of some matte velvet skin foundations. So I'm going to get myself ready. Once it comes time to using these products, I'll pop out. Once it comes time to using these products, I'll pop out. Once it comes time to using these products, I will pop back in and show you guys how everything looks. I'll be right back. All right, friends, it's powder time. So I'm gonna start with the loose powder, the banana setting powder. I'm gonna use the little powder puff. Yeah, I feel like I want more to come out. I have on Shape Tape Concealer and Born This Way foundation. I've got on my cream blush, my cream contour. I will say this puff is nice and soft. I normally just use a brush to set under my eyes, but I'm gonna see how this works out. Kind of just set the T-zone. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the darker pressed powder, the R330. Should we try it with the sponge? I normally hate the sponges that powders come with, but let's give it a try. So I'm gonna just set the, how do I know which side to use? I don't know, because we'll try the black side. Oh wait. I'm gonna try using this side. So I'm gonna just set around here, kind of the rest of the face. Wow, those look pretty smooth. Now I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade. Now I'm going to take a brush and just dust down any excess of the loose powder to set the blush and my nose. And I'm going to take a little bit of excess loose powder and just kind of set the rest of the face. Blend this out. All right, let's take a close-up look and see how we're looking here. Okay, so I really like the finish. It definitely does look very smooth and it is very full coverage. I did notice that right away. This seems like the sort of powder that I can really only wear like in the fall or winter, spring maybe. I think it would be too much for my skin in the summer because I do sweat a lot. So anything that's full coverage or too matte in the summer when I sweat, it just doesn't work for me. So I'll do a check-in later on. Oh my gosh, it literally looks flawless. I'll do a check-in later on and show you guys how it's wearing throughout the night. We are gonna be outside moving around, so I think it's gonna be a true wear test. But so far, pretty good. Let's do our lip. So I'm gonna use the Anywhere Caffeine shade. It's pretty, but I want something a little deeper, so I'm gonna do the Limitless Brown. Like that one was too light, this one's a bit too dark, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna go back in with Anywhere Caffeine, see if I can just blend it out. So together the two look pretty nice. I do like that. Yeah, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Bombshell Liquid Lipstick. I think it looks really nice. I'm into it. I'll keep you guys updated on how the powder wears throughout the night. I'll give you a check-in a little bit later on in the vlog. Hi friends. So I just got to my husband's job waiting for him to get off. I'm all ready for our evening. We're going to the high school football game, so it's going to be at the same school that we went to last time. They are going to be playing a different school, which if you guys remember, years ago on MTV, there was a show called Two-A-Days, and it was based on this football program in Hoover, Alabama. So we're going to their game. So they are actually playing in the game tonight. So it's going to be like a big rival game, and I'm pretty excited because it's so crazy to me that a high school football program had a show on MTV. Yeah, so that's what we're doing tonight. Still love my hair. I still can't believe it's so light, but she did a great job. And here comes my husband. So we'll check in with you guys in a bit. Friends are home from the game. I'm about to shower and I just wanted to check in and show you guys how this powder has been wearing. So I would say that it stayed on pretty well. It didn't budge. It does look a little thick, you know? Like, I don't like the word cakey, but it looks a little caked. If you're out, I think that it's completely fine to have on makeup like this, but like if you're in a close setting where the lighting is bad, it could potentially look bad. But I'm pleased with how it stayed on pretty well. It literally did not budge. You can see my natural like dewiness has come through a bit, but I haven't touched up at all since I put the makeup on this morning. So, wow, I just scratched my face and you could see the lines. So far so good. I really like this powder. I'm about to shower. Good night. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, it's dinner time, so I'm about to make something to eat. I think I'm gonna do like a chicken pasta. I've got some whole wheat pasta and some asparagus. I think I'm gonna do like a chicken Parmesan-y pasta with asparagus on the side. So let's get into it.
Shower. The mirror more than the bitches. My belly tried to sue me like he got me. We just underscore. You that brother.
Hey guys, it is Sunday, 1 o'clock-ish. I actually am working today, so just taking a bit of a break. It's been a pretty low-key day, honestly. We slept in a little bit. My husband made breakfast. Thank you, babe. Just got a Amazon package. I was expecting a couple things. I know this is more Nespresso pods. I get the Chiaro espresso double shot. This is my jewelry travel organizer. I told you guys in my last vlog that I wanted to find something to help me organize jewelry when I travel. And this is the little thing I found. It's pretty small, but I don't really have too much. I like that right here it has the little hooks you can hang bracelets or necklaces on. It looks like this part is for earrings, and then just some more compartments down here for earrings, rings, whatever. So yeah, this is pretty cute. And I think it was only like $8. This is pretty good quality and it was less than 10 bucks. So I'm happy. So we'll be able to get our jewelry packed for the trip. See this, babe?
Nice.
You can hang your necklaces on here, earrings, rings, bracelets.
Wow, that looks cool. All space.
I am waiting on a couple other Amazon packages to arrive today. Otherwise, it's been a pretty low-key day. Oh, the boys got baths and we gave Polo a haircut. Let me show you. Polo, you got a haircut? You got a haircut. You look so handsome. Gave him a little trim and a bath. Rocco got a bath too. Rocco, you got a bath? Yeah. Bye. Hi friends, it's the next day, so I just want to come on to wrap up this, having some coffee, just getting our day started. So I'm gonna end this vlog now so that I can start a new one. So thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe down below and I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.